Three new things I asked my sister to get for me from
Ikea, January 2023.
Here they are. Let's look at them together. First is this one. Look at how beautiful the shape of this picture. I got the small one. They also have the taller version of this. But I think this would be really cute if I put it on top of my dining table and put the utensils here and the napkin, or put a small floral arrangement. I also asked her to get me this mirror. Well, I have big mirrors, but I don't have anything on the small side in which I could put on my table. There's also a magnified mirror part on one side and a regular mirror on the other side. I know this would be very cute and very useful for me when I put on my working table or makeup table. And I also got this one. I have been long eyeing for the white one and the black one. They have this in white or black, but I didn't know they have it in blue. So when my sister told me they have it in blue, I said, please get me that blue one. So I'm so excited to use all this tree. I also have a lot of old items.
Ikea, around 2010.
Notice some paint? I was trying to hide some stains. And the lamp is not functional anymore. But I still love it. Same with this candle set. Not functional, stained, but I still love it sitting on top of my bookshelf. I have this bin in different shapes and sizes. This one goes under the TV to store some remote or other items. This one is in my bedroom for comb and other stuff. And this one has some clothes.
Ikea, January 2024.
I am always excited to come back to Ikea. I got 2 sets of cork. This cute watering can. It makes me excited to tend to my plants. I got this very nice gray throw. And I got a new trash can. Got tempted to get these 2 herb garden frames. And to complete my 12 lovely home things from Ikea, my sister got this candlestick holder for me for my birthday. Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, Ikea.